hear any sound. One little nose to smell and breathe. One little mouth to one little mouth that likes to eat. Okay, next I will teach you today's. Okay, hands to clap, legs to walk, nose to smell, mouth to talk, head to move, eyes to see. I have a little body that belongs to me. That belongs to me. Okay. You have to learn and come whole, full song, full poem. Ready, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good.